City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Bay County in northwestern Georgia, western Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bridgeport to Hammondville to near Sand Rock, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wow.
Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Lafayette, Somerville, Trenton, Fort Oglethorpe, Rossville, Chickamauga, Tryon, Lookout Mountain, Lyerly, Menlo, Center Post, Fairview, Linwood, Cloudland, Chattanooga Valley, Hooker, Cloudland Canyon State Park, Cooper Heights, and Rock Spring. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Northwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Tornado watch number 57 remains.
Damn. Went off on this one and yeah, it didn't go off on, I think it went off on this one. Tornado watch is no longer in effect on that one. This one